Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Well, today, 10 wigs in 10 minutes. If you're new here, welcome. Let me tell you just very quickly how I do these videos. About once a month, I show you 10 wigs in 10 minutes. Now, that 10 minutes doesn't start until I actually start showing the wigs. But this is not a wig review, so let me tell you that already. I've already reviewed all these wigs. And we'd be here all day if I tried to review all 10 of these. But what I'm going to do is show you a quick overview of them so you can get just an idea of the style and the color I'm going to show you. If any of these that you want to see in great detail, indoor, outdoor lighting, cap construction, discussion of fit and permatease, just put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel and my previous video will pop up for you. So it's really easy. This is just fun, quick, and today, guess what? It's all pixie styles. Of course, one of my favorite kind of wigs is a good pixie wig. So let's get started because 10 minutes starts right now. Now, I cannot talk about pixie wigs if I don't talk about Aesthetica Jet. RH1488 RT8. You know, you've seen me wear this wig. I have had this wig well over probably 2 years and have shown it to you so many times. Probably every time I do a pixie video, I show you Aesthetica Jet. I love it that much. I think it is so wearable. I like this little longer piece on this side. It layers perfectly. There's nothing about it I don't like. This is Raquel Welch, ready for takeoff in Shaded Biscuit. This one has all the bells and whistles. Hand-tied cap. I love this sweeping bang. Of course, Shaded Biscuit, one of my all-time favorite colors. All right, this is Star from Rene Paris, the Orchid collection, and this color is Slate Chocolate Split. I put a little clip in mine because I like to style my short wigs off my face. Lots of flippy layers, and how about this color? It is so pretty. Ellen Villa Align, and this one is Plum Brown Rooted. I love this color. I think I have a line in 5 different colors. This is truly, get your hands in it, mess it up. Cute sweeping bang. I like it all spiky all over. Oh gosh, a line, yeah. This is Raquel Welch Go-To Style in Sunlit Chestnut. I really like the nape on this one too. This is very similar to a wig we all know and love, John Reno Ignite. But I like that. Look how pretty this is. It has a beautiful profile and that little bump we all like in the back, but yet really short in the nape. Raquel Welch, Go-To Style. This is a fairly new style. This is Beltress Bristol, and this color is Caramel Blonde Rooted. It has a middle mono part on this one and bangs. Very low density. If you're looking for a short, low density style, have a look at Bristol. We just talked about it, so here it is, John Reno Ignite, and this color is Shaded Mocha. A classic for a reason. I mean, I can't get enough of Ignite. I hope they never stop making it. It's just beautiful. I love the back of this, the nape, this shape. It's just classic John Reno Ignite. Ellen Villa Bow Mono. This color is Pearl Blonde Rooted. Now, this is a true pixie. It is short all over, really more of a boy cut in my opinion, but look at all of these fun layers. Oh gosh, you can do a lot with this wig. This is Beltress Cherry in Butterbeer Blonde. Now note, this one has a super short nape on this one. But again, that classic, how we're seeing it all the time, one side a little longer than the other, can put it behind your ear. I think this is a very wearable style for a lot of face shapes. This is Ellen Villa Coco in Champagne Rooted. I love these spiky wigs. As you can see, this is how I fix it. Take it out of the box, run my hands through it, play with these layers a little, and you're out the door. All right, 10 wigs. What were your favorites? I can't wait to hear which ones you like the most. Which ones of these do you have? What colors do you have? Leave me some comments below, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. That really helps here on YouTube. And I can't wait till next month when we look at 10 more wigs. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.